Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing to make this Minecraft slime out of polymer clay, real slime, and some silicone tape. And I've had some people ask me if silicone tape and nanotape are the same thing. I believe so. I think they are just different names, but the same product. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So first I'm gonna take my silicone tape and I'm gonna take a little piece and cut it into a square. And we're gonna take equal squares and attach the ends together. You gotta be really careful though, because once it sticks on, it's pretty hard to take apart. I'm gonna attach the ends together. We're gonna make a little box. And on one end, we're gonna add another square. And this will be the base of our little clear box. Next, we're gonna make the slime. So I'm taking some foil and I'm gonna bend it into a cube shape because I don't wanna make too thick of a clay piece because then it takes forever to bake. So I'm gonna use some foil in the middle just as filler. And I took a long time, but I molded it into a little cube and I used a little wooden block to shape it up a little bit more. Next, I took some green polymer clay and I'm gonna roll it out really flat and really thin. And then I'm gonna wrap it around my tinfoil cube. And using my polymer clay blade, I'm just going to cut off the extra parts. And I'm going to smooth the seams together just by rubbing it with my fingers. Next, I took some assorted colors of greens and I rolled it out flat. And I made it even thinner than the previous. And we're gonna use our blade to cut out little squares and rectangles. And this will be like the little pixelated pattern that the slime has. And we're just gonna kind of place it wherever on the cube. And I added 2 different shades of green just to give it a little contrast. For the eyes and mouth, we're going to take some dark green clay, roll it out flat, and cut out little squares and rectangles. And I'm going to place it kind of on the sides. And then next to the eyes, we're gonna put 2 little rectangles and kind of blend the 2 pieces together. And a little square in the middle for the mouth. So I bought some Elmer slime because I was super lazy in making my own slime. I didn't have the materials, so I just bought slime. And I hadn't touched slime in a long time, so I just had to play with it for a really long time. I kind of lost track of time. And the Minecraft slime is a little bit green, so I added some food coloring. And this is the one that you use for baking. Added a little dab and just mixed it together. So next I'm going to add a layer of my slime into my little box, and I put it in the bottom layer first and on the sides. Next I placed in my Minecraft slime in the middle and added more slime. Then I placed a layer of silicone tape on top just to cap it up. And we're not done yet. I've seen videos of people squeezing it and the slime leaks everywhere. So we're gonna take off the little protective lining first. And I'm gonna add a layer of tape on the corners just to seal it up. And once sealed, we can squeeze to our heart's content. And it's super squishy. So silicone tape and slime, I would say, is a winning combo. I hope you all enjoyed the video and thank you for watching, and you can watch me squish this for another 20 more seconds.